threats in space are not only growing, they're evolving. Persistent orbital intelligence is key to prevent operational surprise and protect space assets. This requires proliferated sensors that are designed to be rapidly fielded. Introducing LeoLabs' next-generation phased array radar, Seeker. This radar features ultra-high-frequency, planar, direct radiating array technology. Its wide field of regard, enabled by two-dimensional scanning, allows it to detect, locate, maintain custody of, and track more objects for longer. This radar is ideal for enhancing real-time observation and characterization of adversarial activity. And its modular, cost-efficient design makes it easy to scale up or down depending on mission requirements and budget. Our first installation is already unlocking advanced capabilities and streaming data to our orbital catalog. Detect, track, characterize, and act on threats with LeoLabs. We stand ready to serve your mission.